manufacturing process of Wave Technologies. Developed in 1999 and with well over 25 years of manufacturing excellence, Wave Tech engineers have traveled the globe extensively, constantly keeping abreast of latest technological advancements to develop the ultimate electrotherapy instruments. With a wide array of electrotherapy devices available, Wave Technologies prides itself in using tried, tested methods and using the latest in safety and international standards. Wave Technologies ship the devices globally, with orders often shipping from Amsterdam and available anywhere in the world. You can pay using methods such as PayPal, and Wave Technologies is so confident in the product you get a full 3-month money-back guarantee. Visit www.waverife.com right away to begin exploring Wave Technologies.